Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School kalayo Khur kanam overall champion hak district level inter-school athletic meet at Raja Arpunriu berapanya the office u district sports officer West China Hills District haringkat ke Trilang ke West China District Sports Association. Kini kalawan hadian Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School kalau Khur arpusan tuli kitak maksiar khat hendu tuli kitak marupa bat khat lai tuli kitak marnong bat kalayo ru kanam best athlete hak kerdan under 14, 16 but 18 hak liang ki kenthei bat shenrang. Kani ki jile kai kalapoi shakabakut hak arpasau trik yayong Hamadan Multi Sports Complex Wayajer hak balawan ban penhap perdaya ka kongsan ke kong DV Lingdo Additional Deputy Commissioner West China Hills District. Ya kanam best discipline team layo ora daka Albin Lamare Memorial Secondary School. Ya kanam best athlete jong kerdan under 14 nakaliang kishenrang layo da Kanot Liberty High Secondary School balami khmat do ini bat lamare hagajia kop back throw katba hakaliang kikenthei layo da Giantia High Secondary School balami khmat da ewa kani phawa hagajia kop long jump hagakerdan under 16 nakaliang kishenrang layo da school Senra High Secondary School balami khmat do ramrambai hagajia kop mare ka bahandu phomita katba nakaliang kikenthei layo da Kanot Liberty High Secondary School balami khmat da peacefully poplet hagajia kop mare ka bahandu phomita hagadan under 18 nakaliang kishenrang layo da kyang nangba High Secondary School balami khmat do ribat bang hagajia kop ka bashispa mita katba nakaliang kikenthei layo da Kanot Liberty High Secondary School balami khmat da saphika pertu hagajia kop mare ka bashispa mita. Ya kanam best team hakadan under 14 lara da HK Singh Memorial Secondary School da Khur artli tak maksiar markaway ke tak marupa batak marnong baar Kanot Liberty High Secondary School da Khur mar artli ki tak maksiar batak marnong hakadan under 16 ya kanam best team lara da Kanot Liberty High Secondary School da Khur hanyo tli tak maksiar hanyo kitak marupa batsan kitak marnong baar ke HK Singh Memorial Secondary School da Khur lightly tak maksiar bat lightly kitak marnong hakadan under 18 ya kanam best team lara da Kanot Liberty High Secondary School da Khur khat handu tli kitak maksiar khandai kitak marupa bat handu kitak marnong baar ka kyang nangba Government High Secondary School da Khur lightly kitak maksiar bat lightly kitak marnong nalor ka kongsan na dan langru district sports officer West China Hills uba krubok pasa kinoyalam bad khot nong kitkam ka WJDSA kinohi kai nalor kiwe kirupok mar kathan.
not only an extracurricular activities for you. It's not just an extracurricular activities, but there's also being an integral part of whatever you do. Whatever you do. Yes, I've heard everyone says sports help us remain healthy. Sports helps to build up a lot of team spirit. Sports helps, it gives us the leadership skills. No doubt, these are very, very true. But I feel today, standing here, I would also like to mention another two important lessons that we should learn from sports. One thing is that we should learn how to overcome. Now, sports will help you overcome failure. This is a very, very important lesson that we need to learn from sport. It helps you to become failure. It helps to make, success. It helps you to, it gives you the ability to overcome failure. Because in our life, we face many failure compared to success. So therefore, the ability to overcome failure will help you reach high up in life. So I think this is one reason. And another reason that I would point it out here is that it helps us understand people. I've heard for 3 days you've been participating in the athletic meet, and today is the last day, the closing ceremony. You've met many students from many schools from your own district. You must have made friends. You must be very, very happy enjoying these 3 days. You'll cherish this for the rest of your life. So another important reason is that it will help you understand people, help you to understand your friend. It's not just taking part in the sport is for winning, but it helps you to understand them, help you to support them. So these are the two reason, the two lessons that I would say, which will help, that sport help each one of you to build you up and make you a beautiful human being. So, yes, you must have enjoyed a lot these 3 days. I have nothing more to say, but your enjoyment, your memories, your friendship that you've met in these 3 days will help you cherish, like I've said. And please do help each other and understand that winning is not everything, but taking part is most important. And I really, if the parents happen to be here, I would like to request the parents of the student to kindly encourage them to take part in the sport, to play sport, so that you will see a successful human being, emerging out of this. So this is all with these few words. I wish you all the best, and please do be the others also, those who are not taking part in the sport, kindly next year you should also be on the ground standing there with your friends and not only cheering but also be a part of this.